When to use ISO 8859-1 instead of UTF-8 in web development. Understanding character encodings. When to use ISO 8859-1 instead of UTF-8. In the realm of web development, choosing the right character encoding is crucial for ensuring your content is displayed correctly across all platforms and browsers. Two commonly used character encodings are ISO 8859-1 and UTF-8. Each serves different purposes, and knowing when to use one over the other can have a significant impact on your web projects. The basics of ISO 8859-1. ISO 8859-1, also known as Latin 1, is a single-byte character encoding scheme. This encoding supports 256 character codes and can represent the first 256 Unicode characters. These include commonly used punctuation marks, numerals, and letters from the Latin alphabet. ISO 8859-1 is straightforward, but its character support is limited to Western European languages. The versatility of UTF-8. UTF-8 is a variable width character encoding system. It can represent every character in the Unicode character set, using 1 to 4 bytes for each character. This makes UTF-8 incredibly flexible and capable of encoding text composed of virtually any language, with symbols and emojis included. Today, UTF-8 is the dominant character encoding used on the web because of its ability to accommodate the global expanse of the Internet's audience. Key considerations: when to use each. Scope of language. If your website or application is intended solely for a Western European audience and storage space is a concern, ISO 8859-1 might suffice due to its simplicity and lesser storage requirements. Global reach. For websites aiming for a global demographic, UTF-8 is the preferred encoding due to its comprehensive language support. Complex characters and symbols. Websites displaying non-Latin characters, including Asian scripts, Cyrillic alphabet-based languages, and various specialty symbols, should employ UTF-8. System compatibility. UTF-8 is backward compatible with ASCII, meaning that any file encoded with ASCII will also be valid UTF-8, aiding in wider compatibility. Historical applications. Some legacy systems and applications still function optimally with ISO 8859-1 due to historical reasons. However, transitioning to UTF-8 is often recommended for future-proofing and accessibility. Conclusion. While both ISO 8859-1 and UTF-8 have their respective places in the history and practice of web development, the choice largely depends on your project's specific needs. With the worldwide nature of the Internet, UTF-8 often emerges as the more versatile and widely adopted encoding. However, understanding both encodings' nuances ensures that developers make informed choices, maintaining web consistency and enhancing user experience. Adopting the correct encoding is not just a technical choice but a fundamental consideration in making digital content accessible and user-friendly across the globe. Choose wisely, and consider the implications of character encoding in your development practices.